Progress 101. They are now eating on my hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Where's the other one? Ouch, painful. Wow, dalian na human ay. Amon na ang palakaon. Hello. What's up? What's up, buddy? I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna let you eat more food. This is just an appetizer. I just want to put the food in my hand. And this is the first time ever, and I'm so happy I have gained your trust. Are you done? You're not yet done? Now you're pinching me. I'm hungry. I'm gonna give you food later, ha? Hi. Hi. This blue one is not afraid of me. She was the first one who came into my hands. You okay now? Yeah, you're still biting me. Ouch, man. It's so painful. It's painful. Ouch, ouch, ouch. It's painful. No more food. Ay, ang kutik-kulit. Here we go.